Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete your browsing data in the Brave browser on your mobile device. Whether you want to clear recent activity or all your data, this tutorial will make it simple and quick. First, open the Brave browser on your mobile phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the menu. After that, scroll down and tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Now, scroll further down until you see Delete Browsing Data and tap on it. Here, choose the types of data you want to delete, such as browsing history or cookies. Finally, select the time range for deletion, like the last 15 minutes, hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Once you've made your choices, confirm to clear your browsing data. Thank you for watching. Clearing your browsing data regularly helps protect your privacy and keeps your browser running smoothly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.